Good morning and welcome to my vlog. I think this is a welcome to my vlog. I have so many videos filmed that I'm not like up to date on editing, so I don't really know if this is a continuation of a vlog or if this is the start of a new one. But today I have everything already kind of mapped out. I had a contractor here fixing my beautiful door handle. I finally got a new one put on. So I'm gonna be making my aftershave oil, and I'm debating on keeping it in this video, or you know what, let's do a vlog style formulation video. So today we're gonna be making my aftershave oil. It has a whole bunch of essential oils. It has blood orange, lime, lemon, peppermint, lavender, and the base of it is jojoba oil and grape seed oil. It's literally one of the best selling like natural, it's only scented with essential oils, so it smells beautiful. It's like a little lime, it's like citrusy but mild. I don't really know how to explain it. I was in a rush this morning and I didn't put my tea in a travel mug, so someone's calling me. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on this serum because I actually have a meeting at 2 o'clock. So I have about 2 hours. This should really take me 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna get started. I'm actually gonna bring you guys in. I'm gonna bring you guys closer. But first, I like that I've actually kind of, I'm not gonna say mastered, but I've almost mastered how to film for YouTube and like TikTok and Instagram simultaneously on one camera, which is very nice. For those that create content, you know it's not fun switching cameras or switching angles and like having to like make sure you film horizontal on your phone and make sure you film vertical, and like I know there's ways that you can edit and so it's easier and you can just film like horizontally but then far enough so that when you zoom in and crop it, it's fine. It's just annoying. So I'm glad that I'm figuring out this camera day by day. Okay, so just gonna bring you guys over. That's dangerous. I don't even have you guys on a tripod or anything. All right, what is that? I like to weigh out my essential oils first, just in case I mess anything up, because they're used at such a low rate. Let's start with tea tree. It's not even funny how low of a usage rate these are used at. It's hard to weigh out if you don't have a precise scale. Lavender. Peppermint is so strong. Last but not least is lime. I'm like addicted to lime right now for some reason. Now, last but not least is my vitamin E. 1 point. In this bowl, I'm gonna weigh out my jojoba oil. That way it's easier for the essential oils to be dispersed. Mix until you see no separation of any oils, essential oils, the vitamin E or anything. As I mentioned, this is definitely a product that you want to have the scale that goes down to 0.00 of a gram, not just 0.0. You need a very precise scale for this one. And again, I have them all linked down below so you can get the exact scales and products that I use. Now that this is ready to go, let's put you up there. This bowl, I'm going to have my grape seed. But yeah, this is a very, I don't want to say sensitive product. Like this is definitely one you want to make sure, sorry, Because you're using so many essential oils, you want to make sure not only is your scale accurate, but you're diluting it properly. You don't want to cause any type of problems for your customers or yourself if you're not planning on selling this. But it's a really easy formulation to follow. It's literally just mixing oils. Mixing oils like this and like my rose serum and scalp serum, cuticle serum, all of them are probably in my top 10s to make because they take no time. Like, look how fast that was. And now we just made some amazing aftershave oil that smells divine. And again, you can tweak this and use whatever essential oils that you want to use. You don't have to use the ones that I use. I chose these ones because I tried to follow the brand Fur. I really liked the smell of their oil, so I just wanted to put my own spin on it, make it lightweight and moisturizing and smell good. And this is a 100% natural, clean product. It's just oils, essential oils mixed together. So I love it. There's no fragrance oils in it, nothing synthetic, all natural. Now I'm just gonna bottle these up. Honestly, there's probably enough footage of me. Sorry, that's not what I meant to say. I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing this footage. Is what I meant to say. But whatever. A lot of people ask me why I don't use my filling machine for things like this. And honestly, I've gotten so comfortable hand pouring that I don't really spill too often if it's an oil-based product. Like if I try to hand pour my hyaluronic serum, no shot. But also my filling machine leaks anything that's too liquidy. Like, so something oil-based like this would just leak right through. My African black soap face wash leaks a lot. My turmeric face wash doesn't leak at all, but it is obviously a little bit more viscous. So yeah. And as you guys can see, I can hand pour kind of fast. I just want to make note too, my hair should be up. This is actually terrible practice. So don't be like me and put your hair up. That's why normally when I film, you guys will see that I have a slick bun. I'm actually starving. I need to eat after this. I don't have many labels left, so I'm just gonna label the ones that I can. And then I'm gonna print off some more for this product, and my turmeric scrub needs more. And I think that's it, but I'll see. Actually, before I print off the labels, I'm gonna eat something because I'm way too hungry. I am in like a weird little limbo right now. It's 1:57. I made the product that I wanted to make today. I guess I completely forgot that I want to make the labels. I was just about to come here and be like, I don't know what to do for an hour. But I'm going to make my shave labels, my turmeric scrub labels. I was actually going to make another product, but I'm missing one ingredient, of course. I don't really know. I might be able to. I could probably actually make my face wash, which I think I'm going to do. The only thing is I can't put it in the bottles. So I'll just have to like seal it off. But as for right now, I'm going to make my labels. So I'll take you guys along with me. I do have a video. Hold on. I, of course, have a video posted on my YouTube on how to make labels. So I'll link that video for you guys if you want to see how I make my waterproof, oil-proof labels. Very easy. I actually got this idea from Tara Lee 4 years ago, and I've been doing it ever since. So, yeah. If you are curious to see how I make my water and oil proof labels, I do have a full video on it, and I also do have all the products that I use linked in my Amazon storefront, which is in my description. It's a very, very simple process, and I personally love to make my own labels because I'm impatient and I don't like to order from websites. Plus, I'm kind of prone to making spelling mistakes, so I like that I can catch a spelling mistake and fix it right there without having to place a whole new order or a large order of labels. I am hoping that soon I will be able to, one, afford, but also let go of this process because it's very tedious and I'm starting to get a little bit impatient. But until then, I have been making my labels like this for years now. I'm going on 5 years. So yeah, I have a full video if you want to learn how I make these. I have a meeting right now. I'm going to do a little bit of...
Hi.
Hi.
You're in another call?
Yeah, I was just filming.
Oh, filming?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There are a lot of things that I need to step up and start doing as a business owner. After having this meeting, I'm realizing it's definitely time. I don't know if it's because I started this business by accident that I feel like this isn't a business. I don't really know how to explain it. She mentioned to me during the meeting that I need to look up imposter syndrome and understand it and look up ways how to overcome it. So that is probably next on my to-do list. I have my very first networking event tomorrow, which I am excited and very nervous for. Literally thinking about it right now, I'm already sweating. But I'm just like, I don't feel like I'm a business owner, and it's crazy that I'm saying this to you guys because I'm like, you guys look at me like I'm a business owner. I am, but in my head, I'm like, it's still a hobby, but it's far from a hobby. It's literally what keeps bills paid and food on my table. But like, I'm doing a lot of things wrong. Maybe not wrong, I just haven't done them yet. My marketing, nearly non-existent. Yes, I'm on social media, but that is not the only way of marketing. Clearly, as I'm now learning through these meetings with my mentor and stuff, that like, I have a lot of stuff to do and figure out, especially if I want to grow this business. I need to step it up and stop acting like I'm a scared 19-year-old. I'm 26 years old with a kid, gonna get married. Like, I'm an adult. I'm an adult now, and I can't be like pretending this is a small little thing when in actuality it's a big thing that I want to grow it. I'm confident in my products. I know I make good products. It's just once people realize that I am a business owner and they talk about it to me, I get embarrassed that they know I'm a business owner. I don't know how to explain that feeling, but it's like, I don't like when people bring up the fact that they see my TikToks or my Instagram. I can post whatever, like when I'm filming and editing and I post it, I feel zero ways, but it's when someone comes up to me and is like, oh, I saw your TikToks. I just get embarrassed. I don't know what it is, but like, I need to get over it. Hardcore. Also, I'm realizing, as much as a lot of you guys think I am organized, which I am to a degree, I'm not organized at all after talking with my mentor. So I have a lot of things I need to work on behind the scenes. I don't know if you guys want me to take you along for that ride, whether it be meetings with banks or my networking event. I would love to try and vlog there, but that's, again, embarrassing to me. I don't want to bring a camera and film myself, but we'll see if I can get over that. But yeah, I'm just kind of having an epiphany and like, is this what I want to do? I love doing it, so it sounds like a no-brainer that I should continue to do it, but like, I don't know. I'm very intimidated and scared, and I don't know. But I'm going to clean up now that the meeting is done. It's almost 4 o'clock and I want to go home. I don't know why when I think about the business, I don't think about it like a business. I just think of it as me doing something. Not that it's its own thing, even though it very much is. I feel like maybe there's like some type of mental thing that I need to overcome and work on. Like, I've been journaling. I haven't recently, but I journaled a lot more recently. And that helped for like a little bit of time. I think it's something I need to keep doing for sure. But you know, life. Not that that's an excuse. I know that I have a lot of internal things that I need to work on because I want this to grow, but like, why can't I separate myself from it? And I don't even, YouTube, of course, I post my my face. But on social media, I don't really like to post my face with the business because I don't want to be a part of it. So I feel like that should be step number one. A lot of people want to have their face attached to the brand, which is fine. I don't. I want my business to be its own thing. But then there's little things that I should be doing, like opening up a separate bank account. As what my mentor was explaining to me is that if I want to start building my business history on paper, yes, having my business number and all that stuff is good, but having a bank account, like that just sounds scary to me. That's something that I've been putting off for years. And you guys are probably like, you don't have a business bank account? No, because I'm scared for some reason. I'm scared of money, which is, again, something I'm working on. So in my head, I just felt like having another bank account. In my head, I look at it as only an expense. Like because of the bank fees, right? But in the long run, it's probably the best thing for me to do. Again, it's a learning curve. I am figuring it out as we go, but I just thought I would share that with you guys, that even though I may seem like I know what I'm doing, I actually don't. You guys are watching me figure this all out literally live. Like, if you thought before that I knew what I was doing, you're about to quickly realize that I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going with the flow. I'm gonna go home. Quickly, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you very much, and thank you for listening to me rant about my business. Long story short, I'm intimidated and scared. But if you've made it to the end of this video, I just wanted to say thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed formulating and organizing, cleaning with me, listening to a little bit of my mentor meeting. And I hope you stick around for my future, because I have no idea what's next. And I will see you guys in the next video.